Hello everyone, I'm Shihani Taruka. This is my second video related to cybersecurity, and this one is about web security fundamental in a theoretical foundation and how to apply it to a real world practical scenario. Basically, this is an audit, but luckily I have found a bug through this audit. So this is my bug bounty video about domain called www.snapchat.com. You can find my bug report in GitHub account. I have put my GitHub link in below description section. So first of all, what is snapchat.com? So have a look. Snapchat is a popular multimedia messaging mobile application that allows instant photos and videos messaging. The feature that differentiated Snapchat from Facebook Messenger, Viber, WhatsApp, and other messaging applications is the temporary nature of the recorded messages. As you see, the photos or videos of up to 10 seconds sent to Snapchat friends are automatically deleted after they are received and viewed. There is a database containing contact and registration information for domain names called Whois. This is it. By searching it, you can discover a number of things about the domain's ownership and registration. So what is a domain? A domain name is the address where internet users can access your website. A domain name is used for finding and identifying computers on the internet. Because of this, domain names were developed and used to identify entities on the internet rather than using IP addresses. In here, I am using www.snapchat.com. Domains have subdomains. So, subdomains are created to organize and navigate to different sections of your website. You can create multiple subdomains or child domains on your main domain. In this example, Bitmoji is the subdomain, Snapchat is the primary domain, and .com is the top level domain. These are the 4 subdomains which I am going to use to explain my web audit. The reason I have chosen those are the priority representation. In priority base, critical is the first priority and low is the last priority. I am going to explain each critical, high, medium and low levels. Nikto. Nikto is a free software command line vulnerability scanner that scans web servers for dangerous files or CGIs, outdated server software and other problems. This is Nikto help guide. Using these keywords, we can scan what we want. Config plus, use this config file. Display plus, turn on or off display outputs. Likewise, as an example, I'm going to use -H to scan my domain. This is the output of -H space snapchat.com. It takes several minutes to scan. So I will show you shorted video clips how it happens. In first line, it gives target IP as 216.239.32.21 and the host name it also shows as target port. It has multiple IP addresses which is in class 3. You can see start time and end time. As I said earlier, it really got 30 minutes to complete the scan. There are important parts in here like server, about x-xss protection, CGI directions and server banner. I will explain the difference in domain versus subdomain in later. Moving to next slide. In here I have scanned subdomain called story.snapchat.com. In here too you can see the things that you have saw in previous slide. Additionally, there is an uncommon headers. This is the priority 5 level. It means low level. This is the main and important part of this program. This is the bug that I found. When I scan www.bitmoji.com, which contains medium priority, it gives something called site server components and changed server banners. Also, it gives Windows remote management, which was enabled. But this only happened once. It showed a default account username and password, which is very sensitive information. The risk at this point are moderate. Someone can use this account to log into the machine and otherwise access system resources. This is a high priority level subdomain, ads.snapchat.com. And this is critical priority level subdomain, which are highly secured paths because it has our user accounts. This is the comparison of domain and subdomain. I have shorted it into a 1.5 minute because it actually took 2 hours to scan. Using Nikto keywords, secondly I have tried to find a bug from Snapchat database using db check. We can check database and other key files for syntax errors using that keyword, but there was no different and anything in any subdomain and main domain. These are the results. And this is how it works. In here you can see list all available plugins. Next scanner, Wapiti. Wapiti allows you to audit the security of your websites or web applications. It performs black box scans, which means doesn't have to study the source code of the web application by crawling the web pages of the deployed web app. Looking for scripts and forms, it can inject data. This is usage box. When I scan the domain Snapchat here, it creates a Wapiti report. This is it. There are no vulnerabilities that Wapiti can found. It gives 0 number of vulnerabilities. I have did the same thing to the subdomains too, but there was nothing. This is how I scan Snapchat domain. And this is how I scan subdomain. I got Bitmoji subdomain as an example in here. WhatWeb, third scanner. WhatWeb recognizes web technologies including content management systems, blogging platforms, static or analytics packages, JavaScript libraries, web servers, and embedded devices. It also identifies version numbers, email addresses, account IDs, web framework modules, SQL errors, and more. This is WhatWeb usage box. This is what I got. It has HTML version, server header string, JavaScript library, IP address, and country. In here, low-level subdomain story.snapchat.com. It is a bit different from main domain. It has a big summary and big string also. www.bitmoji.com, medium level priority, It has detected plugins, toString and server, HTML version, and email address. High level priority ads.snapchat.com. It has displayed the names of cookies in the HTTP headers, HTML version, HTTP server header string. Critical level priority accounts.snapchat.com. It has displayed the names of cookies in the HTTP headers. It has 5 headers, an HTML version, server header string, there is something I have to mention. Look all this title, login Snapchat, and here Snap Ads Manager, and here Bitmoji. Snapchat, the fastest way to share a movement. It means Snapchat story, and here the fastest way to share a movement. It also Snapchat app. This is the video. First look, then I will explain. In that video I have changed number 3 to number 4. In this video I was typing number 1. Look, this one 2. Then I will explain what is the difference of that numbers. Wapiti space dash capital V space 3snapchat.com. What is that 3? That is aggression. The aggression level controls the trade-off between speed or stealth and reliability. In number 1, it means stealthy makes one HTTP request per target and also follows redirects. In number 3, aggressive if a level 1 plugin is matched, additional requests will be made. Finally, number 4, it heavy makes a lot of HTTP requests per target. URLs from all plugins are attempted. So, special thanks for Dr. Lakmal Rupasinghe, Ms. Chetana Lianapathirana, Ms. Lanisha Ruggahotua, Ms. Chatu Udagedara and the rest of the 6.857 staff for obtaining permission from Snapchat to perform this security analysis. Thanking you.